Welcome to this comprehensive guide on CreditSaint Credit Education. CreditSaint is a leading credit repair company that provides education and resources to help individuals improve their credit scores and manage their finances effectively. The first step in understanding CreditSaint Credit Education is to know what credit is and how it works. Credit refers to the ability to borrow money or access goods and services without immediate payment, based on the trust that you will pay later. Your credit score is a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. A good credit score can help you qualify for loans, credit cards, and other financial products at favorable interest rates. CreditSaint Credit Education focuses on several key concepts, including credit reporting, credit scoring, and credit repair. Credit reporting refers to the process of collecting and maintaining information about your credit history, which is used to calculate your credit score. Credit scoring models, such as FICO and VantageScore, use this information to assign a credit score. Credit repair involves identifying and disputing errors on your credit report to improve your credit score. One of the practical examples of CreditSaint Credit Education is its credit monitoring service, which allows you to track changes to your credit report and score in real time. This service also provides personalized recommendations to help you improve your credit score. For instance, if you have a high credit utilization ratio, CreditSaint may recommend paying down debt or reducing credit card balances. Best practices for credit education include checking your credit report regularly, making on-time payments, and keeping credit utilization low. It is also essential to avoid applying for too many credit products in a short period, as this can negatively impact your credit score. By following these best practices and leveraging CreditSaint Credit Education resources, you can take control of your credit and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, CreditSaint Credit Education provides valuable resources and tools to help individuals understand and manage their credit. By learning about credit reporting, credit scoring, and credit repair, you can improve your credit score and make informed financial decisions. Remember to check your credit report regularly, make on-time payments, and keep credit utilization low to maintain good credit habits. With CreditSaint Credit Education, you can achieve a better financial future and enjoy greater peace of mind.